Introducing TreeCarePro by the AlphaTrees Hub, the game changer your tree surgery and gardening business needs. Discover TreeCarePro, the groundbreaking app currently in development that's uniquely designed to cater to the needs of tree surgery and gardening companies. TreeCarePro will transform your business, making it more efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly with its comprehensive and innovative features. Smart scheduling. Streamline your operations with advanced algorithms that optimize work schedules based on crew availability, location proximity, and weather conditions. Experience unprecedented efficiency and resource management. Tree health assessment. Utilize the power of AI and machine learning to analyze images of trees and plants, detecting potential issues like diseases, pests, or structural problems. Stay ahead of the curve with proactive maintenance and reduce future issues. AR Tree Pruning Guide. Harness the power of augmented reality for visual guidance on proper tree pruning techniques. Ensure safer and more efficient tree surgery while preventing damage to trees. Inventory management. Benefit from an integrated inventory management system to keep track of supplies, tools, and equipment. Prevent loss or theft and ensure your team is always prepared. Green waste management. Adopt a dedicated waste management feature to manage green waste disposal, recycling, and composting options. Minimize your company's environmental impact and comply with local regulations. Client management. Leverage the built-in CRM system to manage client information, job history, and invoices. Strengthen customer relationships and grow your business with ease. Customizable safety checklists. Create and manage safety checklists for your team, ensuring compliance with industry standards and reducing the risk of accidents. Training resources. Access a library of educational resources, including video tutorials, articles, and best practice guides, so your team can continuously learn and improve their skills. Analytics and reporting. Make data-driven decisions with built-in analytics and reporting features. Track your company's performance and identify areas for improvement. Marketplace and networking. Engage with the TreeCarePro marketplace to buy and sell equipment, materials, or services. Network with industry peers to share knowledge and collaborate on projects. TreeCarePro sets itself apart from other apps by offering a comprehensive, all-in-one solution tailored specifically for tree surgery and gardening companies. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your business into a more efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly enterprise with TreeCarePro by the AlphaTrees Hub. Stay tuned for the release of this revolutionary app that will reshape the industry landscape.